this button. Going to have to set it power button for 1 to 2 seconds and volume down. Power button 1 2, volume down. Power button 1 2, volume down. Look at this thing. So volume power button plus volume up. Scroll down and format the phone. So it's formatted now. So we go to this machine. Kan kawani baka testing na nogamba shi. Kuma sa ka testing.